In this video, I will show you how to create a private channel in Discord. First, open the Discord app or website and go to the server where you want to create the private channel. Next, click on the plus icon next to a category or right-click the category, and from here, select Create Channel. Choose the type of channel you want to create, such as text, voice, or stage, then enter a name for your new channel. Now, turn on the private channel toggle and click on Next. You will now see the option to choose which members or roles can access the channel. If you've already created server roles, enable the switch next to roles you want to grant access to. You can also select individual members or skip this step and manage permissions later. Once you're finished, click on the Create Channel option. If you want to make the channel completely invisible to everyone else, you can click on the gear icon next to the channel and open Edit Channel. Now go to Permissions, then select Add Everyone role and disable the View Channel permission. Then save your changes. Now only the members or roles you've allowed will be able to see and access the private channel, while everyone else won't know it exists. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.